Khushi, Sammy. What are you doing? Khushi's been writing Mahabharata from the past 3 hours.
Not Mahabharata. I am writing a wish list for my summer holidays.
Can you read out your Mahabharata? Sorry, your wish list?
First, I want to go to a trip to another state.
Hey guys, do you know something? Papa made reservations to go to Vizag.
I love Vizag. Let's go.
But why are we going there?
To attend a health workshop, girl.
But workshops are boring. I want to go to a beautiful place surrounded by mountains.
Just like a resort?
Exactly.
This workshop is happening in a beautiful ashram surrounded by hills in a nice village.
Wow, I love ashrams and villages. Let's go.
Wait, but I wanted to gain new knowledge and become a better person.
In this workshop, they're gonna teach us about our human body and universal health principles which govern our body, daily practices to stay healthy along with yoga, pranayama and meditation, and some yogic techniques like Sutraneti, Chalaneti, Shatrkriyas, Sankha Prakshalana, and so many interesting and exciting practical sessions.
But this seems like going back to school. I want to sing, dance and have fun.
Hey, daily we have lots of cultural activities where you can sing, dance, share jokes, play skits and have lots and lots of fun.
I love songs and jokes. Let's go.
Wait, I want to go to a beauty parlor and make my skin glow.
In this workshop, they're going to teach us how to cleanse each and every cell of our body and glow naturally without using any chemical cosmetics. Isn't it wonderful?
I want to play with cows. Are there any cows in this village?
There are many cows in the Goshala and cute calves. You can play with them as much as you wish.
Wow, I love cows. Let's go.
Wait, I want to learn a new language in the summer holidays.
Your wish is fulfilled, girl. They will teach us Sanskrit language and also Bhagavad Gita chanting.
Most of my wishes from this wish list is fulfilled from this workshop. Okay, let's go.
Auntie, this is so exciting. Take my money from this piggy bank and pay for all of us.
Hey, keep your money with you, girl. This workshop is totally free. Even food and accommodation are free.
That's great, Auntie. How to register for this workshop?
Just scan the QR code on the poster to get registered. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and let's go to Vizag!
Yay!